guys, today I have my very first Get Unready With Me. Yay! I have never done one of these videos on my channel, and I really wanted to share with you guys how I get unready, how I get this full face of makeup completely off, and also what has been working for my skin and what I have been using to treat my skin as well. That being said, this is being sponsored by CUROLOGY, so shout out to them. Thank you so much for collaborating with me in this. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started so you guys can see how I remove a full face. And when I say full face, I have like full coverage foundation, concealer, the whole 9 yards. I have this glitter makeup, so we will be taking all of this step by step off. So first thing I do is just take off my lashes right there, and those came off pretty easily. And the first step in my skincare routine is the Drunk Elephant. This is a makeup melting butter. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on this little what is this called, like a little spatula that comes with it, and just rub this. And I'm gonna push my hair back a little bit so you guys can see, and I'm going to rub this especially, and this is just going to remove my makeup. I've really been loving these kind of melting balms. Let me know if you have a recommendation for a melting balm below. So as you can see there, it's just melting it all away. And then I'm going to take one of my favorite makeup wipes, which is by BLISS, and just wipe all of this off. So just getting this whole baby off. So as you can see there, this is a lot of makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another one of these wipes, and these are from BLISS. I love how saturated these wipes are. So next portion is CUROLOGY, and before I jump into actually using the products and showing them to you, I wanted to go through what it is and then really kind of use it on camera so you guys can see it. So first off, it is a full-on service system. It is basically a dermatology provider where you can actually ask questions and work with someone, messaging them, and really have a conversation with someone about your skin, things that you want to improve your skin. And they ask you for, you know, a questionnaire. They ask you, you know, where you can type in and actually really give your concerns about your skincare. And also really cool, you can upload your pictures of your skin. So you want to upload pictures where it shows your whole side. It asks you for each side of your face, a full frontal of your face, and you can really show them what your skin is looking like and what you want to improve on. So I went ahead and wet my face, and I'm going to be using the cleanser first. I love how this is a cream cleanser, and it just really lathers really nicely on the skin. And I do have a little bucket of water here next to me, which I've been using. I have my little trusty bucket and a little nice cloth to just wipe this off. And as you can see in the little video, as I was doing this, that this really lathers really nicely. And I love using this as my like two-step cleanser. It's just a really nice cleanser. It doesn't strip your skin. It's just really nice to the skin. Next up that I'm going to use is the Good Molecules Brightening Toner. I really enjoy this toner, especially after I've washed my face. It's more of a thicker kind of gel toner, and I just kind of use this in just like the bigger areas of my skin to kind of just help tone and brighten my skin. So I'm gonna keep talking about it while I apply some onto my skin. So something really cool for anyone who is vegan or doesn't want to use anything unless they're cruelty-free, CUROLOGY is certified by Leaping Bunny. So they are cruelty-free, and I just pat on this cream onto my skin. Aside from being cruelty-free and vegan, the other cool thing about CUROLOGY is that those ingredients that I've shown here are actually scientifically proven. They have been clinically proven as well. And also, if you guys are kind of iffy, if you're not sure if you want to try this, I would definitely say log into them and try. The first month is free. All you have to do is pay the $4.99 for shipping and handling, and you can get a month supply to see if it works for your skin. So, and also I know that Curology is also money guaranteed. Like if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. So it's definitely worth a try to see if it improves your skin. They work with people who have acne. They work with people like me who want to focus more on anti-aging or, you know, your spots or things like that. And it's, like I said, it's like personalized. So you get to actually show your pictures, your face, your concerns, write your concerns, and message your dermatology provider. The next thing in my skincare is going to be the Bobbie Brown eye cream, and I absolutely love this eye cream. It's super hydrating. I know it's a little pricey for an eye cream, but I'm telling you, this thing is so hydrating. And if you have like dry, crepey under eyes, I would definitely say go into Sephora and ask for a sample of this. Whoa. Okay, it's falling. But this eye cream is definitely super hydrating and really nice for this under eye area. Then the next thing that I do is use my NEULASH. Absolutely love this lash enhancing serum. So I just kind of sweep it back and forth here on my eyelashes, and this really helps improve the growth of my lashes as well. After the lash serum, I go ahead and open this bad boy. This is the LANEIGE lip sleeping mask, and I absolutely love this. This is so hydrating and so nice for your lips. I cannot live without this and their lip balm. It is so good. If you guys have dry lips, this stuff is amazing. It's really hydrating on your lips. It is just a must-have for every night. So that is basically my Unready With Me, but I wanted to show 2 or 3 more products for you guys. I wanted to show you guys part of my morning routine is using the CUROLOGY, the moisturizer. This just adds moisture back into my skin. And before applying this, I do use my MAC LIGHTFUL softening lotion spray. This has vitamin C and is really nice for brightening your skin, so I love those two combined. And then if I need like an extra pick-me-up during the week, I love this mask by Summer Fridays. This is called the Jet Lag mask. And for extra kind of removage of any kind of makeup, this is the waterproof eye makeup remover from Sephora, and I absolutely love this. This is a little bit greasy, so that is something that you have to watch out for. It does leave a little bit of a residue around your eye, but I don't mind because I'm getting old, so I like that extra moisture underneath there, and I only use this at night. So that is it for my Unready With Me. Thank you guys so much for watching. For subscribing, if you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. Follow me on Instagram down below. Please share and like this video, and yeah, I hope that this was helpful to some of you guys. Let me know down below, what are your favorite skincare products, or what are your favorite things to get unready with? I'd love to hear from you down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.